Have you ever wanted to learn how to play a CD? Well, and how are they played? There are many steps to achieving the ability to playing a CD through a physical form. But first, a brief overview of a CD is needed. The acknowledgement of how a sound is produced from a CD is important. As stated from Lenovo.com, when you insert an audio CD into a compatible player, other known as a CD player, a laser reads the tiny pits on the CD surface, converting them into an electrical signal that reproduces the sound. The sound is produced through the tiny lasers in the CD player. This allows for the music to be played through the speakers attached or wired alongside the CD player. Now moving on to the steps. The first step needed to be taken is by turning on your CD player and getting it ready for the disc that will soon be put in. As seen here, begin by plugging in your CD player and switching it on. Then switch through the modes until you find the setting of CD. This should appear on the tiny black screen in the left-hand corner. After this, lightly pick up your CD and get ready to put it in your player. Be careful because although they are strong, they are not indestructible. Step 2 begins by lightly pressing down on the plastic casing around the area of where your CD is going to go. After opening this, grab your CD and place it into the center of where you opened it. After this, close the plastic casing and wait for the CD to begin spinning, which the music will soon produce. Not every CD player is like this though. As seen here from this picture, some CD players do not have a visible look as how this one does. Now, step 3 already takes place with the CD being inside the player. By pressing alongside the top of the CD player, you will see 5 buttons, allowing the player to skip, go back, pause, or turn the volume up and or down. A remote is also sometimes provided in a CD player. By using the remote, point it towards the CD player and click the desired button. This will result in the same outcome. Be careful when pressing down to not be rough or aggressive. Although the buttons are sturdy, they are again not invincible and can break. CD players may differ with where these buttons are placed. For example, in this photo, the buttons are placed in a different position, but they all do the same thing. Some of you may be wondering, how is this ever going to be beneficial to me? Well, physical music media is extremely relevant in today's life. With the resurgence of physical music media coming back into mainstream media, why miss out on the uproaring trends? Although many do rely on stream-based music media, streamable music may not always be available sometimes down the line. So having the ability to work and use a CD player to the best of its abilities is needed and very important if a person were wanting to listen to music. In a time where music might not be streamed, it is very important to know how to use a CD player. As went through the steps today, the points that were talked about were how to start a CD player, how to correctly place a CD into a CD player, and how to work the systems of a CD player. Although digital streaming is beneficial, one will never feel the adrenaline rush one gets when receiving a new album and knowing how to play it on a CD player. Thank you.